All right, here we are. I'm going to use Grok Build to help me reclaim some space on the hard drive of this M2 Air MacBook. It's a sweet little machine. Um, Picked it up recently for the ministry. It's actually a from 2022, and it's a beautiful little screen on it, about a 12-inch screen. It's just a wonderful carry around machine. So, but it's a little bit short to upgrade to the latest operating system. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to use Grok Build to try to help me reclaim enough space. So this is really like playing with hand grenades, giving an AI chance to delete stuff. So hopefully, I'm going to show you how to do this in a safe way, and hopefully not end up recording AI destroying my machine. So here we go.